This video is going to talk you through Expanded ADEPT using the new South Carolina 4.0 teaching rubric. The Expanded ADEPT follows 4 major domains that you'll be evaluated on when you are teaching. These domains include instruction, planning, environment, and professionalism. Each domain then has multiple indicators. Instruction has 12 different indicators that you will be assessed on. Planning has 3, environment has 4, and professionalism has 4. In the instructional domain, and you can see on the side of the screen here, I have the actual 4.0 rubric posted. There are 12 different indicators of how you're going to be evaluated. So the first one are standards and objectives. The second area is motivating students. The third area is dealing with presenting instructional content. We then move into lesson structure and pacing, activities and materials. We look at questioning and also then academic feedback that you provide back to your students. You're evaluated on how you group students, on your content knowledge, on your knowledge of your students, and finally the last 2 are thinking and problem solving that you use and have your students engage in the classroom. So those are the 12 indicators in the instructional domain. In the planning domain, there's 3 indicators that we're looking at. One is instructional plans, the second one is the student work, and the third one is assessment. The third domain is environment, and there are 4 indicators in this domain. They include expectations, managing student behavior, the environment, and also creating a respectful culture in your classroom. The last major domain is professionalism. And in this domain, you'll be evaluated typically at the midterm and at the final point. And so for this, you're going to be evaluated on 4 different areas. So growing and developing professionally, reflecting on teaching, community involvement, and school responsibilities. So what I want you to remember is that you're really aiming for a level 3 in the rubric. The rubric has 4 different levels, and most people, if they're doing exactly what they need to be doing in the classroom, are going to end up at level 3 proficient. And so when you see these evaluations, keep in mind that level 3 is exactly where you need to be. Some of you are going to get 2s and 1s because you're not quite there yet, and that's okay. But hopefully by the end of this experience, everyone will be working at the level 3 because that means you're doing exactly what you need to be doing in the classroom.